G'day, it's Garth from Ecom Rebel, and today in this video I am going to cover how to discover winning Facebook ads from successful dropshipping stores. So that's the video I'm going to cover today. Now I've written some notes down so I make sure I get this information to you. Now before we start, okay, if you're serious about building a six-figure dropshipping store, you might want to check out our dropshipping community. You can check that out at ecomrebel.com. Now, let's get started. So, let's check out one of these dropshipping sites. So, in another video, I will do one on how to discover some of these dropshipping stores that are doing really well. I'll do that in other videos. You have to watch out for that. But let's get into this one here. So, Krait. They're a really big a dropshipping store. They've been around for a long time, so it's bluekrait.com. And if we just have a quick look at sort of what the products they've got right now, they've got this this cool pillow that has your face on it, or you can put any face on it. So that's a really interesting little product. They've got different like socks. I think that's a bottle cap gun or something like that. I can't remember what that one is. It's got all these little weird little products that they sell, sort of gag, sort of gifts, prank sort of gifts, but they make for fun that people give to other people, and they do very well around Christmas time. So this store is pretty big. So let's check out the analytics. I want to give you an idea of how big they are. So we're on SimilarWeb right now, and I'll do another video on how to use the little plugin. This little plugin you can get for free, and it sits up in the top right hand corner of there. Alright, so let's scroll down a bit. You can see here, this is their global rank, country rank category. But most importantly, let's check out the traffic. So as you can see, they're consistently between 100 and 75,000 visitors per month. Now that is estimated traffic, but my experience with SimilarWeb is that they're very, very close to the money. They are pretty much spot on. So if they're doing, 75,000 visitors, they're doing something right, and they're making money. There's an old sort of rule of thumb, and it's just a guideline. But if you're doing $1 per visitor in sales, that's pretty standard. So if you've got 76,000 visitors, you'll be easily getting $76,000 in sales. That's just a rough thing. Some have higher converting stores, and they're more than that. But on this, around about 76,000. So this is easily nearly $1 million a year business, and that's without any email or any upsells or anything like that. So they're getting the traffic. As you see, most of it is from the United States. That's where they're getting most of it, and probably most of their buyers, I would say. So let's go back to website now. If you have a look, if you find a website, it's a dropshipping store, then normally they have a link to their Facebook page. So this one, if you click this link, will go to their Facebook page. Okay, and here is their page. It's called I Want One by Krait. 1.3 million followers. And they've got their spotlighted videos here, which show all their products. Link to their website. And they've got a lot of people follow and a lot of people like it. So basically, this has got all their products that they've got. They've posted the products on there. Here's another one. Now, what you can do is you go to this thing called page transparency. So now we're getting into how to actually find out what ads they're running. So these are just normal posts that they do. But if you click on See More, where it says page transparency, click on See More. And it gives you some information about the website, who manages it, how old has it been. But we're going to go to this one here. It says go to ads library. So when you click that, that will open up the ads library in Facebook. So this is, if you want to go to it directly, you can go to facebook.com/ads/library, and then you can search for the page. In this case, we've already got the page loaded called I Want One. Now you've got this little filter here, and this is filtering out the different countries. So at the moment I've got Australia because I'm from Australia, but you can put in here all the countries, or you can put in United States if you just want to see the ads for United States. So as we scroll down, you can see that they've got 3 ads running. Started on the 5th of September. So it's been running for a few weeks now. So you've got this one here. This looks like a retargeting ad because it's the last chance to get a additional 15% off today using a code. So this would be like a retargeting ad. Same with this one. So this is 2 different videos. Your code will expire soon. So you got like 2 lots of retargeting. But this is the main one here. This is the mug reveals your face when it gets warm. Get yours here. Very simple. And then the video sells it. So let's just click on this and just watch the video. Alright, so there it is there. Yeah, that is a great video ad. If you want to know how to make video ads, these guys have been doing it for a long time and they're very good. So notice how they, have the product. They demonstrate what the product actually does. Okay, it tells you what it does. And then they put the overlay, the text, explaining as they go the different things that you can do on it. So this one is, they printed a face on it. And then they just go through what you can use it for, what sort of drinks, and a perfect prank gift. They're saying, look, you may not want it yourself, but this is perfect to do as a prank for someone that hasn't seen it. Now, what we can do also, we can check out this bit.ly link. So if we right click this link, we copy the link address, and then we paste it in. But let's just take off this Facebook link at the end. We don't need that. And then we just put plus. We put the plus at the end of it. And by adding the plus to the end of it, that actually gives us statistics. So as we can see, they started doing this back in May the 5th, and they've started bringing it out again. But they've done 98,259 clicks in that period of time. So when they've just run it recently, they've been getting 1,600, 1,700 clicks, and on this particular one, 8,000 clicks. This is starting the week of August. So as you can see, they've released the product before, and they're releasing again. They'll probably be doing it up to Christmas, and they know it's going to sell. So to give you, even if you do some quick math, here we go. Got my calculator. So even if you look at let's have a look at when they did really well. In this week, May 19, they had about 27,552. Those are the clicks. And if we go with a 3% conversion rate, it means they sold about 826 orders. And those mugs, let's have a quick look at what the mugs are worth. Just click on up here. Okay, there it is, personalized heat change mug, $30. So 826 times $30. So we're at 24,796. So let's call it 25 grand. So 25 grand in profit. Sorry, 25 grand in revenue off that one product that they're running, minus their Facebook ad costs and also fulfillment costs. But that gives you an idea of the sort of money you can do when you put out a product that people are interested in and they click through and buy it. And this is very simply, we're just using some analysis from here. We're using, if they're using bit.ly links, you can actually see how many clicks, and then we're using standard 3% conversion. And yeah, just by having a look at the page. So you can do this with any of if you come across any of these sites. So if you come across a dropshipping store, you just need to find their Facebook page. Usually they have that on that store, or you can search for it on Facebook. And then you want to go to, as I said before, page transparency, and go into the ads library. So that's how you would check out the ads that are doing well. And the one thing to know is that when these ads, if they keep running, you know they're profitable. If they're not running, people can't run ads for very long without them being profitable. Now, hey, by the way, if you're serious about dropshipping, you might like to join our dropshipping community. If you're interested, you can check out ecomrebel.com. That's ecomrebel.com and join. Now, where were we? So let's finish up on the ads library. If you go directly to the ads library, which is facebook.com/ads.library, you can actually type in any page name of any store that you want to. All right, so yeah, all you need to do is you find other similar stores like this, and then all you need to do is go into page transparency, see more, and then click on go to ads library, and that'll take you to the ads library where you can type, basically it'll have the information. So, all right, so basically this is a really good way to find out what ads are running. The good thing is you can see what their main ad is out to cold traffic, and also you can check out their retargeting. In this case, it looks like they got 2 retargeting ads to mix it up, and they're giving you a code, and then with this second retargeting video, they're saying it's going to expire soon, you need to check out. So this is encouraging people to buy now. And they'll be getting, generally you'll get a lot of traffic off the amount of clicks that you get through off your cold. You'll actually get as many, if not more, on your retargetings, and you'll pay cheaper for the ads on retargeting. So yeah, that's just basically a thing you can do. It's an incredible little hack. When I learned about this, it has been out for a while, but a lot of people still don't know about it, and this is how you get access to the Facebook ads library. Now, before I forget, if you like this video and you want to build a 6-figure dropshipping store, you might want to join our dropshipping community. If that sounds something interesting to you might want to head over to ecomrebel.com. That's ecomrebel.com. Looks like this here on the page, ecomrebel.com, and you can join our community. Now, you guys, if you've got any questions or anything that you want to ask, put them in the comments below the video, and I'll be too happy to help you out. I will see you again soon. See you guys.